Hey guys. I grew up playing my dad's 48 Gibson, so naturally I thought they were the best. Now over the years I switched to playing electric guitars, and that led me to Fenders. Now today I regularly play 3 different Fenders, each made in 3 different places, and we're going to take a look at each of the 3 of these. The Duosonic was made in Mexico. It's a great sounding short scale guitar. It's my go-to when I want to play the evening away on the couch. The American Professional Telecaster. It came to me with non-standard pickups, but the previous owner had great taste, and so this particular guitar has fantastic tone, power, and playability. The mahogany offset Telecaster is an absolute work of art. It was made in Japan. It tempts the eye, tantalizes the ear. It's absolutely amazing. It's got a massive neck. It's got an incredible P90 pickup in it. Absolutely beautiful guitar. Each of these guitars is a keeper, and they get played regularly just for the sheer joy of it. I hope you liked this look at my Fender guitars, and if you did, hit the like button and let me know.